Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our homes. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is there, assisting us in countless ways. Whether it's through voice-activated assistants, smart home devices, or personalized recommendations, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. AI can now perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans, like playing chess or translating languages. These advancements are not just limited to games or simple translations. AI is now capable of understanding and processing complex human languages, making communication across different cultures easier than ever before. This rapid development is unprecedented. The pace at which AI technology is evolving is faster than any other technological advancement in history. Each year, we see new breakthroughs that push the boundaries of what AI can do. It has the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. From healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment, AI is set to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. The possibilities are endless, and the impact could be as significant as the Industrial Revolution. One area where AI's impact could be particularly significant is human evolution itself. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, we may find that it not only changes how we live, but also who we are as a species. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are starting to interact with us in increasingly complex ways. These interactions are not just limited to simple commands and responses. AI is beginning to understand and predict our needs, making our interactions more intuitive and natural. These interactions could have a direct impact on our biology. Imagine AI systems that can monitor our health in real time, predict potential illnesses, and suggest preventive measures. The integration of AI in healthcare could lead to longer, healthier lives. Imagine a future where AI tutors help us learn, providing personalized education tailored to each student's needs. These AI tutors could adapt their teaching methods based on the student's progress, ensuring a more effective learning experience. AI assistants manage our schedules, taking care of mundane tasks and freeing up our time for more meaningful activities. They could remind us of important appointments, help us plan our days, and even suggest activities based on our interests. And AI companions provide us with emotional support. These companions could offer a listening ear, provide comfort during difficult times, and even help combat loneliness. The future of AI is not just about technology, it's about enhancing the human experience in ways we never thought possible.
AI's influence on human evolution could be both physical and cognitive. As we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives, the potential for transformation is immense. On the physical side, some experts believe that our reliance on AI could lead to changes in our physical appearance. This could be a gradual process, influenced by the way we interact with technology. For instance, our brains might become smaller as we offload more cognitive tasks to AI. This phenomenon isn't entirely new. It mirrors changes seen in other species over time. This has happened with other species. Think about domesticated animals. Over generations, they have adapted to their environments and the roles they play alongside humans. They often have smaller brains than their wild counterparts.